Welcome to Lake, where every host has a story to share and every listing is a doorway to new adventures. I'm here to guide you through crafting a listing that not only stands out, but connects with guests worldwide. Let's embark on this journey together. Your story begins with the heartbeat of your property. It's more than just bedrooms and bathrooms after all. It's about the local bookstore, the hidden gems that dazzle, and the community that thrives around you. Share the essence of your surroundings, be it the history, the culture, or the unbeatable coffee shop down the street. Just work hard to show off your area in an authentic and an inviting way. Now, let's translate your story into visuals. The splendor of photography lies in natural light, capturing your space in its most inviting moments. Your hero image sets the stage, drawing guests into your world. And from wide angles that embrace the entirety of your space to detailed shots highlighting your property, every photo is a chapter of your story. With your narrative and visuals in hand, it's time to weave them into your lake listing. Start with a title that pops. Keep descriptions brief yet vivid, and ensure your words mirror your photos. Let's break down the description. You'll want to include an introduction that captures the essence of your property, room-by-room vignettes that highlight unique features, and a nod to the outdoor spaces that extend the experience. But your journey doesn't end here. You'll want to engage with an audience, your audience, through social media, sharing the beauty of your space, the transformations, and the day-to-day wonders that make your property a living story. Remember, your listing is not just an advertisement, it's an invitation to stay in this wonderful place that you've created. From the serene mornings in your garden to cozy nooks in your living room, every detail contributes to the guest's experience. Are you ready to craft a listing that captures hearts and imaginations? With Lake, your journey from storyteller to sought-after host is beginning now. So dive into the art of storytelling and photography and watch as your listing becomes a lighthouse for travelers seeking authenticity and adventure. Welcome to Lake, where every listing tells a story.